honorable member to call out the question number 3A.
He called it out, Honorable
He
Speaker,
did not.
with due respect.
He did not stand.
Can I show you?
He did not
Can
stand.
I show you? Him calling the question.
Check this.
Check this.
Check.
Check this. Benji is calling out the question.
Okay, 3A.
Upper Vishay. Correct.
मैं एक 3A मोई आयको इल्ला.
अरे कोण केला तो पण
Start
start
कर.
करायचे.
आओ नाला इंसादा.
मैं किती तुम्ही दणदणीत फटी मारता मध्ये स्पीकर सर फटी मारपाक तुझो एक लेवल असता.
This
इतकी
is
दणदणीत मारत ना.
mockery of the governance.
Okay, honorable member, call out question number 3A.
Sir, J details as per annexure 1 on the law. Those details are not complete. We want to have the full details of the entire fees paid till date. यो जो details दिलो आहे तो सारखं काय information I want my first supplementary to be answered very clearly. We want the entire details to be tabled on the floor of the house. Speaker sir, वो otpan answer गेलते party दिलो otpan answer ए party दिलो speaker sir. We want entire clear details and explanation of why these fees are not collected appropriately and why there is discrimination in collection of these fees, speaker sir.
Honorable Minister.
He's asking about the two table. And tu answer na? Answer na?
पीछे
3A then delay.
सांगून दे ना स्पीकर
स्वप्ने तयारी सांगितले अलाउड केले प्रश्न केले
स्पीकर सर
स्वप्ने अरे बाबा
स्पीकर सर
Speaker sir, मुख्यमंत्री I request him to take care of his right side.
Question number
The
3.
right hand man तो स्वप्नेता अशी जाऊ शकना. आणि त्याने सांगले म्हणतो तुका कॉल आउट केलं मला.
वन बी तक
किती? हा?
3A.
बरे आऊट जाता स्पेसिफिक
ना ना स्पेसिफिक इंसान तुका तुगे नेक्स्टराचे तुझो आन्सर दिला फर्स्ट एजो तो आन्सर क्लियर ना. We need to know the details. How much fees you have collected and why you are collecting fees in a haphazard manner. Down to
स्पीकर खंयचे आपयला क्वेश्चन
3A.
3A.
Sir,
Speaker sir, as far as 3A is concerned, all details have been given to the honorable
those
member.
details are falsifying details. We need to make sure that you give us the entire.
Speaker sir, I can't hear if 10 people speak in a
Please
particular
speak
time.
one at a time.
No, no, answer into annexure A. Please table it on the floor of the house. We will tell you all that details that are not been given.
No.
This is all falsifying. This is.
Honorable member Mr. Benzi Vegas is talking so loudly and I am going deaf. We have got a good sound system put by honorable speaker.
That is not the answer to the question.
Please do not
Let
interrupt.
him give a very specific question, and to that question today before the by 12:30 I'll put it on the floor of the house. I don't know what is
This was committed last time. It was never done.
all the details have been given in
We
this
want these-
answer and has been uploaded, speaker sir. I cannot give any more information that he's asking for. If he has anything specific, let him table the question on the floor of what specific information. अरे दिला ते गालमोड सांग रे. ऑनरेबल मेंबराक काय सांगू शकता तो कितें मागता तेका सांग म्हणून सांग वाच म्हणून सांग हांव ऑफिसराक सांगता दी म्हणून घालता न्ही.
बरे स्पेसिफिक क्वेश्चन आऊट
Entire fees paid till date do not match what you have given. We want you to specifically
आयज
give the
पर्यंत
entire thing.
तेका जर जाय
That is I know. Going to लोका जाय. Going to लोका जाय and going to लोकान गेलते पार्टी मागले and गेलते पार्टी वॉच आन्सर आलो. Out of the house
Honorable
गेलते
member,
पार्टी वो आन्सर दिवन
let the minister reply.
We
Let
want
the minister
before
reply.
this session gets over in the afternoon to be tabled, not after 1 o'clock. Specific time. गेलते पार्टी आमक दिवू ना अशें कोण सांगलोले.
Because, sir,
We need these details
Please,
now.
Because sir, they विचारतात they are asking cases which are in the courts which we have given the same. If there is anything additional he wants, we'll give it. We cannot answer beyond the brief is.
So you do
all,
What you
all
At a
the
time, please.
I
Please sit down.
Vijay,
AG is your main officer.
Vijay Sardesai.
officer आहे बेस्ट घालू नका उत्तर द्या.
Speaker sir, AG is the legal officer. He is a member of the
Vijay
house.
Sardesai.
Yes, sir.
Benji Vegas is asking. You're a officer.
No. We are asking, but he is not replying to the question.
Because sir,
Every now and then, there is a breach of whatever information he is giving to us. Last time also was the same thing. A party same झाल्या. Answer same
Yes, sir.
answer.
Because
Why is this consistently happening in every
Not
assembly
talking-
session?
you're talking of
जो
which
जो host
question?
मागताय याच क्वेश्चनाचे हांव परत answer मेळना speaker sir. And we are asking the question परत दुसपायन परत मुट्टा we will table on the
because
floor.
प्रश्न त्यांनी खंयचो A, B, C, D खंयचे मागता तू?
If we are talking about your annexure A,
No,
the
annexure
answers
A.
what you have given
Yes.
are not correlating with what the facts are there. We want-
You have asked the questions, right?
Yes.
You have asked the questions. So should I read it? You have asked, there are cases which are in the courts of law.
Don't have to read the question,
One
you
minute.
check your annexure.
Yes, all have been paid and all the details of paid we have given, and you read the question very clearly. If there's anything missing, you tell me, I'll place it. There's nothing to hide.
Nothing missing in the question. Answers are missing.
Yeah.
So answer check
See,
to किती बरेल तो.
Benzi, all the time honorable member likes to create, everybody likes to create a big bogey of certain things. Here, everything is mentioned and everything has been mentioned. Let him be very specific to what he wants. I'll give it to him. I have no problem.
We want the details of the fees paid which you have not put. All your
Because, sir,
information is falsifying.
Because, sir, आम्ही
Your
general-
information is falsifying. Your
general
information
सांगता.
is not
आम्ही सर
mentioned.
सगळे दिले. आम्ही आता समजा 9 कोटी सुमार बिलां झाली. आम्ही जे आतापर्यंत पे केल्या ते एक 5-6 कोटी रुपया आम्ही पे केल्या. तेका एक्झॅक्टली स्पेसिफिकली कितले आम्ही आमका आमचे बिलां वयर काढल्या ते लीगल कंप्लेन आणि आम्ही कितले पे केल्या तुका हांव आयज दिता एका पयली दिता.
ना तू एका पयली केन्ना दिना.
postpone कित्याक केलो?
फोन केला
Why I want to go these details? Validation केलो तुवें.
One minute. These people have got a.
What do you mean these people?
One minute.
These
One minute. ऐक रे साहेबा.
language of these
तुका ते
people.
व्हडल्या आवाजान ते रॅली नव्हती ती असेंब्ली ती म्हाका ऐकपाक येता तुझे कितें आहा ते.
व्हडलो आवाज आणि
नाही, व्हडलो आवाज म्हणजे ऐकपाक येता हांव बॉब मारू
मार तू.
तुका ऐकपाक येचें ना मागीर.
अरे आपको गोंयचे लोक
अरे गोंयचो लोक सोड गोंयचो लोकांनी एकटो आवाज
We need
काडला.
answers because
Crossed out.
BJP सरकार काडल्या.
हे जे कोट्यांनी पैसे जे मार केले,
कोट्यांनी पैसे
केले,
हल्ले करू
त्याचे
नका
हिसाब
बघितले.
लावा because
Because, sir,
DCP department is doing maximum fraud. I like
because,
that
sir,
because
no, I
serious
point of order.
Second time we are asking this question and I'm answer man now because
No, no, speaker,
every
sir.
time this is happening.
I
The same
want to raise
minister,
a
the
point
same
of order.
department.
तो जाय
आणि
ते
ती
fraud
political acceptable
करता.
आहे.
And हे इलेक्शनाची तयारी करता.
तो इलेक्शन तयार करताय.
हाय, इलेक्शन आज तुमचे ना. एलायन्स तुमचे जावचे ना. आणि एलायन्स करता आणि दुसऱ्या बसता.
Topic over here.
आप पाहिजे झाले दिल्लीत दोन.
Because sir, election
I don't think I want to answer this question if he's going to
we
be
should
advocating for the
topic.
issue.
Election, very specific.
अरे ऐक रे, विजय, केस कित्याक जाता? केस कित्याक जाता? तुका बरें तें. अरे, हांवें सांगलें तुका पयरूच. तुम्ही जेन्ना हात वयर उखल्ले तुझे घात करतले म्हणून तू आमचे हात धर हांव तुका धरता आनी हाडटा ह्या सायडीक
Because sir,
आणि तू आमच्या सायडीक
because sir,
Second, sir.
very specific.
Please,
The
please,
current
hold on,
status
hold on,
of
hold
the
on.
cases.
Hold on, one moment. How many of you all want to ask a question?
Because sir, all of us.
Why is he standing?
I can't talk to 3 people at a time.
Please sit down. One of you all ask the question. Benji Vegas.
Correct.
Yuri Alim.
First supplementary mark answer मिळणार. Second, all the cases that
Because
are
sir, point of
disposed,
order. कितें मेळोंक ना तें सांगूंक लाय.
all the cases that are disposed and dismissed, as जो status आ, वो मिळणार. All the cases that are
कितें जाय?
disposed and dismissed. We want why you haven't given us this information.
What information? Again explain to me.
होय.
Explain to me. What information you want?
The cases which are disposed and dismissed as current.
All the
status.
cases are running in the court.
So I want
So
the
that's
status.
why
I want the
you
actual
want
status of how
exact,
much
no, one
fees you
sec.
have collected.
Let's talk in English.
Huh? Let's
Because
talk
I
in
can't
English.
understand the speed of which you speak.
How English बोलत मरे?
अय म्हाका कळना तू मदी कोंकणी उलयता
Yes, sir.
मदी इंग्लिश कळटा म्हणजे
How English
आमकां
उलयता?
आमी
Let's
सादे
talk
लोक
in English.
आमकां कळपाक जायना ते
कितें बोलता?
आमकां सारकें सांग की बाबा तुका जे
कोंकणी सारखी ना होती.
Honorable members.
आता we are wasting
one
20
person
minutes.
ask a
We have
question.
wasted.
Please ask your question.
I
My
can't
question
understand.
is
कोंकणी
why
उलयल्यार
haven't we
मराठी
given
उलयल्यार
the
इंग्लिश
information of the
शास्त्री ग्राम मराठी
disposed
उलोवपाक
and
लागला.
dismissed cases? Because sir,
Can you repeat it, please?
we need specific information and status of the disposed and dismissed cases. We haven't got this information.
We will give him that information.
Why you have not given? I have asked and
अरे I said I'll give
Give
you
him
information. There's nothing to hide.
The question.
आमचे सगळे केसेस चालू आहा कोर्टान डिस्पोजल जावपाचे कित्याक तुम्ही घालिता आणि त्याच लोकांक येता आणि त्याच तुमचेर ऑब्जेक्शन काडटा.
Objection करना.
एक मिनिट. Very specific, because sir, I'll be very specific. Now,
From your answers, it looks like your department looks more like a legal background and rather than a planning authority that TCP has to be. Instead of focusing on their regulation, development, zoning, sustainable growth, your energy is consumed more in defending cases across High Court, across Supreme Court. Yeah, my question is across High Court, across Supreme Court, across NGT, and this situation is not accidental. People are forced to do this. And that's because
I want to just correct you. Point of order.
Disturbing me.
Point of order. Is it a specific institution that shut